Hello students, now let us understand certain more rules of plural forms. The plural form of some nouns is completely different from their singular form. For example, child, children, goose, geese, mouse, mice. Now here in this rule you can see that in few words the plural form is completely different from the singular form. Now here from the child we are making it children. From goose we are making it geese and from mouse we are making it mice. So the form is completely changing. The plural of mouse is mouses when it refers to the computer device. Now mouse here is the animal which we are talking about and here the mouse is computer device. When we are talking about the computer device it will change to mouses and when we are talking about the animal it will be mice. Understood? Some words such as deer, aircraft, moose, hare, fish have the same singular and plural forms. We can also make their plural forms in the following way. There are different kinds of fishes in the pond. Plural to indicate a variety. We can add s in these two cases. My father has 5 grey hairs. Plural to indicate a number. There is a variation here. Here are few more points to remember about singular and plural nouns. Sometimes proper nouns can have plural forms. For example, if there are 3 students in a class by the name John, we can say 3 Johns. Now see, John is a proper noun, right? So if John is a proper noun and in one class if there are 3 boys whose name is John, so we can say 3 Johns. Some collective nouns appear singular but they are plural in meaning and usage such as cattle, police, cavalry, people, clergy, gentry and poultry. Now all these are the collective nouns. These seem to be singular. The word seem to be the singular but the meaning of this word is plural. We can use peoples to indicate people of different ethnicities. Understood students? Next, nouns denoting a specific quantity or amount are considered singular. Now, nouns which are denoting specific quantity or the amount are singular. For example, 5 dozen. Now, dozen itself has a 12 units in it. It is considered to be singular. 5 dozen bananas. 200 rupees. Now 100 rupees. 1000 people. Now it is plural. The meaning of this is plural but it appears to be singular. 30 million man. 2 kilometers, etc. However, we can use them as plural nouns too. We can use all of these words in plural nouns also. Example, dozens of bananas were sold. Hundreds of birds gathered on the rooftop. Next, nouns made of paired items are considered plural. For example, jeans, pants, binoculars, glasses, spectacles, tongs, socks, trousers and scissors. Generally, we use such words with a pair of. For example, Nishant bought a pair of jeans and 4 pairs of shorts. Now, these words which are made with the pairs are used as plural forms. Now, jeans. What is a jeans? It has 2 legs. Pants has 2 legs. Binoculars. It has 2 eyes. 2 lenses. Glasses. It has 2 glasses for both the eyes. Spectacles. Again it has the glasses for both the eyes. So in this way, all these are the plural forms. Some nouns do not have a singular form. For example, valuables, belongings, eatables, wages, luggage, arms, innings, mathematics, measles. Now, all these words do not have any singular form. Nouns such as petrol, gold, butter, iron, milk, silk, cotton, wood, paper, water, and cheese do not have plural form. Now, these words do not have any plural form. We can use woods for different varieties of wood or for forest, papers for documents, and waters for water in particular river, lake, or ocean. So, here we have seen many exceptions. Abstract nouns such as wisdom, kindness, and satisfaction are uncountable and thus do not have plural forms. These all are uncountable. So, if we cannot count them, how will we decide it is a plural or singular? But however, some abstract nouns can have plural forms. Again, an exception, but still, after this also, few abstract nouns are there which can have a plural form. So, understood, students? Let us see the examples. The mountaineer encountered several difficulties on her way down. Several difficulties. That means many difficulties. The students have high hopes of scoring good marks this time. Hopes. Hope is, can we see hope? No. Can we touch it? No. Can we experience hope with any of our senses? No. It is an abstract noun, but still we have used it as hopes. Everyone appreciated his innovative ideas and management skills. Now, innovative ideas and skills. Ideas and skills, both these words are abstract nouns but used as plurals. I have had bad experiences of telling lies. Experiences, lies. Both the abstract nouns but used as plurals. Now next, compound words form their plurals by adding s to the principal noun or changing the principal noun itself. Now sister-in-law, it is a compound noun. So sisters-in-law. Man of war, so men of war. Stepfather, stepfathers. However, there are some exceptions to this rule such as cupful, cupfuls, grown up, grown ups. So, this way we form plurals of compound nouns also. Many words in English have been borrowed from other languages. The following table shows words from languages such as Greek and Latin with their plural forms. Words with asterisk, asterisk means this mark, have different plurals in English and Latin. Now, our language, our English has borrowed many words from other languages. So, let us see. Agendum is singular and agenda is plural. Appendix, appendices. Curriculum, curricula. Formula, formulae. Criterion, criteria. Phenomenon, phenomena. Focus, focuses or foci. Index, indexes or indices. Stadium, stadiums or stadia. Syllabus, syllabuses or syllabi. Antenna, antennas or antennae. Gymnasium, gymnasiums or gymnasia. So some of the words such as appendix and curriculum have other plural forms also. Now appendix, this word, and curriculum. These words have different plural forms also. So now students, after understanding all these rules, let us start question number 3. Form plurals of the nouns given in the box below and put them in the correct column. Here in this box we are given the singular nouns. What we have to do? We have to select one by one, we have to make it plural, and here we are given all the rules. We have to put the plural form in the correct column. Beach, it is showing us CH, so we will add ES. Beaches, so we will add ES at the end. Beaches. Next, Axis, AXIS, So we will change it into X's. We will replace IS with ES and we will write it here. Class, double S. So whenever we are having double S at the end, we will add ES. So classes. Information. Information doesn't has any plural form. So we will write in the column of always singular. Cactus. Cactus has, whenever it is US, we will cut US and we will add I. So cacti. Deity. We'll replace Y. Y will replace Y. Here see, here we are having a consonant and Y. So we will cut I and we will add IES. So we will write it here in this column. Radius. Radius, again we are having US. So we will cut US and we will add I. So radii. Satisfaction. Now satisfaction doesn't has any plural form. So we will write in always singular. Journeys. We are having E before Y. Vowel before Y. So we will not cut Y. We will just add S. So we will write here journeys. Crisis. IS. So we will cut IS and we will use ES. So we will write here crisis. Ruby. Now we are having a consonant before Y. So we will cut Y and we will add IES. Rubies. Furniture. Furniture doesn't has any plural form. So we will write in always singular column. Understood, students?